The strategy we are going to be looking at today is using area model for division. The area of something is how much is inside of a rectangle. So if I have this rectangle, this division problem tells me that the space in the middle of my rectangle is 1,678. And it tells me the height of my rectangle is 13. And I need to figure out the length of my rectangle. So I'm going to redraw this rectangle at the bottom. And I'm going to split it up. I'm going to divide my rectangle into multiple pieces so that I can figure out what the total length is. So I'm just going to start by splitting it once. So I'm going to say that 13 times 100 equals 1,300. Now I need to subtract that from the total area, which was 1,678. When I do that, I'm left with an 8, a 7, and a 3. So I'm left with 378. So now the area over here, this part of my square has to equal 378. So I'm going to split it up again. And I'm going to do times 10 this time. So 13 times 10 equals 130. So I need to subtract it from the area that I have left, and that's the 378. So 378 minus 130 equals 8, 4, 2, 248. So I can do another group of 10. So I'm going to do another group of 10. And I'm going to be left with 248, the remaining area, minus 130. That's going to leave me with an 8, a 1, and a 1. So now I have 118 left as my area. Well, I know I cannot subtract or multiply by 10 again, but it's pretty close to 130, so I'm going to try 9. And 13 times 9 gets me 117. So I'm left with 1. So since I didn't end up with a 0 and I can't put another group of 13, I'm going to have a remainder of 1. So to get my answer now, I need to add up all of these lengths. So I need to do 100 plus 10, 10, and 9. So I'm left with 9, 2, and 1. So 129 with a remainder of 1. So when completing this worksheet, make sure you show your work